Expecting a care package? Here's everything you need to know about the mail in the residence halls. The mailboxes are near the front desk of your residence hall. Just find your room number and use your room key to get your mail. Be sure to check your mailbox often. Packages must be received through a front desk. If your package is sent through the U.S. Postal Service, you can find your package at the front desk of your residence hall. If your package is sent through UPS, FedEx, or any other service, it will be at the front desk of Goodhue Hall. You will be notified by email when your package is ready for you to pick up. You can receive your package once you present your Hawk card to the front desk. And if you'd like to send a letter, check your residence hall mailboxes for a slot to place outgoing mail. Just don't forget to add a stamp. You can also send packages through USPS or UPS by leaving the package with the University Center Information Services Desk. Boxes, envelopes, stamps, and other shipping materials are available for purchase at the Information Services. Now you're ready to send and receive your mail. Stay smart and have a great year, Warhawks.